What's going down, country gang? Uncle John back in this thing. We back in the country. You know how we do. Hard work pays off at the end of the day. We ain't got the big heavy equipment and all the fancy dancing to clear it out, but we clean it out ourselves slowly but surely with the help of friends and neighbors. That's the way it's supposed to be. Now check it out, country gang. I gotta load this lawnmower up. I don't have a truck. I don't have an SUV to hook in back of it, but I got a little trick that I do to get it on there so easy. So walk with me, country gang. And shout out to my mama Cora. Shout out to my mother-in-law Jan Jan. Shout out to my father-in-law Pat. And shout out to my sister Felicia. And shout out to my brother-in-law Mikey Mike. You know what it is. Everything is all right. Let's go get it, country gang. And shout out to my lovely wife, Lily. Let's go get it. This is how we do it. Check it out, country gang. I'm gonna take y'all a little view. I'm gonna show y'all a little view of the property real quick. We got some pretty blueberries, purple berries, I want to say. But let's walk real quick. Look at this flower right here. Pretty, but I gotta take some of these, this here down, country gang. Gotta take some of this down. A lot of it gotta come down. Speaking of it, check it out. Let me show y'all these berries. What kind of berries are these, country gang? What kind of berries are these? Yeah, country gang. Just showing y'all a little piece of the country with the berries. Ooh. I guess this is what I was trying to do all along, country. Dang, hold on. Yeah, what kind of berries are these, country gang? Oh yeah, look at, I got them all right there too, country gang. All right there. Woo, okay. Country gang, Uncle John finna take a break, finna get something to drink and a little bit to eat. And I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. I just put up my mailbox. I had to remove it from the spot and put it in a new spot. I can't show y'all the mailbox because it got my address on it. And I don't need nobody riding around here. You know what I'm saying? Holler at your boy later. Holler at your boy later on, country gang. Woo. Woo, woo.